Okay guys, today we're going to be replacing one of the light bulbs in this Dodge Caliber. For this video, you're going to need some sort of either a trim panel removal tool, flathead screwdriver, something like that. And I'm also going to have these plastic pry bars, which is going to help me get this lens out. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to remove these two. Just kind of pry it like that. Unfortunately, this one is broken, but I have some replacements that I'll replace it with. And next thing you're going to do is pull this tail lens out. This is why I've got these. Come over here to the side. Essentially, I'm using these plastic ones so that I don't hurt the paint. And I'm just gonna put them right in the side here. That's going to help get this thing out. There are two push pins on the side of this lens. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah. These right here, and they go in here. Okay, so now we've got access to change the bolts. Okay, now I put some gloves on. The reason that you wear gloves, you could use a rag or something like that, but essentially you want to make sure that you're not getting any of your finger oils on the bulb itself. And then we're going to go ahead and just do a quarter turn to remove this, and you'll see the old bulb here. Just doing a visual inspection, and it actually, I can't really tell if this bulb is bad. I'm going to replace it and see if it fixes the problem, but it could be the case that it's not actually the bulb. So we're going to see if this fixes it. The same way, just like that, and we'll test it out. Just line it back up the way it was, pushed in. And then this other one was broken. They break after a few times in and out, so I have a box over here. I'll replace it with a new one. Okay, that's that. Let's test it out. Okay, there we go. Success. Hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.